In a forgotten corner of the city, hidden between crumbling buildings and silent alleys, stood an old clockmaker's workshop. Dust covered every shelf, and hundreds of clocks lined the walls, each ticking in its own rhythm. The sound was not just mechanical, it felt alive, like countless heartbeats echoing together. The old man sat hunched over his workbench, his hands trembling yet precise, repairing fragile gears. He had spent decades alone, surrounded only by the ticking of time. To passers-by, the shop was invisible, but within, a world of secrets waited, as if time itself lived inside those walls. One quiet evening, while sorting through forgotten boxes in the back of his workshop, the clockmaker found something unusual. It was a clock unlike any he had ever seen. Its hands did not move forward, they crept backward, ticking softly in reverse. The casing was ancient, its wood darker than night, and inside the glass, a faint glow shimmered, as if tiny stars had been trapped within. The man stared in disbelief, brushing dust from its surface. Each movement of the backward hand sent a strange chill through the room. This was no ordinary timepiece, it carried a secret power. As he lifted the glowing clock and touched its strange gears, the workshop trembled. The ticking grew louder, echoing like thunder. Suddenly, the windows no longer revealed the quiet city streets outside. Instead, they opened like portals, showing moments from long-forgotten history. He saw soldiers marching through ancient battlefields, children celebrating festivals long past, kings crowned in distant eras. Each scene flickered in and out, like moving pictures painted with light. The old man gasped, realizing he was not just looking at time, he was witnessing it. Time itself unfolded before him, vast, endless, and alive. Then, from within the ticking clock, a whisper filled the air. "You may change one moment in history," the voice said, gentle yet heavy with warning, "but every change has a price." The old man froze, his heart racing. Memories flooded his mind, his wife's laughter, his daughter's small hand in his own, the day he lost them both to a cruel accident. Tears welled in his eyes. Could this strange clock truly give him back what fate had stolen? His hands shook violently as he wrestled with temptation, torn between wisdom and desperate longing. With trembling resolve, the clockmaker placed his hand upon the glowing face of the clock. The ticking accelerated, a storm of sound filling the room. Light burst outward, blinding and overwhelming. When the brilliance faded, he saw them, his wife, his daughter, alive, smiling, standing before him as if no time had passed. Joy and disbelief collided within him. Yet something was wrong. The workshop was gone, the city erased. Around them stretched an empty void, silent and endless. He had gained what he desired most, but the world he once knew had vanished, consumed by the price of change. The clock ticked once more, just a single, lonely sound, and then it fell silent forever. The glow faded, leaving only the old man and his loved ones suspended in emptiness. Some say the clockmaker's choice erased not just his sorrow, but all else as well. Legends whisper that on quiet nights, when the city sleeps, you can still hear the faint echo of that final tick, carrying the weight of his decision. A reminder that time is not a toy, and every gift it offers comes with a price too heavy to bear.